Starter sets. I can't resist them. You get loads of stuff, and I'm a big fan of a box of stuff. It's a nice little intro into these systems, and yeah, you just have everything you need to test with your table. Well, now I add this. Okay, yes, I ordered it twice. I'm old, I do things wrong. So this is made by Kobold Press. Who are Kobold Press? You know when you're saying to me, where do you get those monsters that are official monsters but are 5e? Kobold Press. Do you know when you say, where's all the magic items come from and spells? Yeah, Kobold Press. And I'm glad to say I have an affiliate link in the description. Remember a few years ago when we all fell out with Wizards of the Coast? And all these other systems came up? Well, yeah, I bought them. And Kobold Press now have the starter set for that. It's 5e, but they've tweaked it to how they think the bad things about Wizards version should be tweaked. How do we make things better? Advanced stuff, advanced social, advanced options. It's pretty much probably all the things that your table has homebrewed, which also is what these are, isn't it? It's like, hey, that's what we already do. So I have a Tales of the Valiant playlist if you want to go looking for that. And also my members have had quite a few one-shots that I've done DM guides for. So now, this is out. It's jam-packed of goodness. And I know you're all probably holding out for the Wizards version, but this is really good. We have maps for the adventures within. We have maps for the adventures within and kind of posters on the other side. And they're really big. A lesser size with a poster on one side of the cover and, you know, maps for the adventures within, which we'll get to in a second. A third map sheet with a map both sides, very, very big, and a really good maze map. Love the detail on this. Then if you've never played a role-playing game before, what exactly a role-playing game is. Are you the DM? Are you the player? Here's the jargon. Here's a little example what it looks like. The rules. Somebody asked me, do you get the whole rules in here? Not the whole core rule book, but same ability scores as 5e. Advantage and disadvantage, passive checks, hiding, breaking things, combat, all your actions, melee attacks, temp hit points, stabilising a creature, spell casting, casting in armour, saves, some spells, and then an index. All that you need. Then you get 2 books, Introductory Adventures. The first one in here is actually a solo mission, where you play as the adventurer and the DM. That's nice, isn't it? That's a nice touch, proper beginning. Then, the same guy seems to be going throughout. Adventure number 2, an adventure for 4 first level characters. Now I'm thinking of doing DM guides for these. And there's our first map. The next adventure, this is an adventure for 4 second level characters. Try not to spoil that, but there's another map. Then it's a bestiary with monsters and stats for you to pinch or use in these missions. Then advanced adventures. This is, you know, over-deliver. I like anyone who over-delivers. Adventure 4 and 5. This is an adventure for 4 third-level characters. Same dude. The maze map. 5th adventure for a party of 4 4th-level characters. Another map. And more difficult monsters. I would like to do DM guides for these. Plenty of character sheets to go with those adventures. And then, of course, you've got dice in Valiant Blue. But which other playset has done actual 3D minis? None that I know. So yeah, it's 5e, but also not. So yeah, I was very, very impressed with all that you get with this. And if you fancy buying 1 or 2 by mistake like I did, then use my link in the description and it will help the channel out. But this gets an official thumbs up from this guy.